Edward, today you're gonna give us some juice.
Yeah, to drink.
Drink? Oh, nice. So, can I have berry juice? Wow, it's 25 cents, right? You put just one money in there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Get it.
I got it. Okay, may I please have some orange soda? It's 50 cents. You have to put two money in there, 2.25 cents. Let's count. 1. You push the button first. 1 and 2. And you press the green button. Yeah, orange juice. Thank you. That's my favorite. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. So the third one is chips, right?
Chips? Okay.
How much it cost? 75 cents. So you have to put 3 money. 3.25 cents. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Yes, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. And press the green button. If you do that, you're not getting any. You can try. Yeah, there you go. The chips is here.
What?
Okay, and the last one is cookie, right? How much it costs, Edward? Is it $1?
I can do it.
Okay. Do you need more money?
I got more. We need 5%.
You need 4.25 cents. 4 money. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. Okay, press the $1. Woo! Boom! Edward, you picking up all the dollars? Okay, push $1, please.
Where's my money?
Oh, you're looking for the money. Peekaboo. Whoa, you got all of them. That is awesome, Edward. Uh-oh, let's press the $1 button. Let's press the $1 button. And then I need cookies, Sarah, please. Push the button.
I can do it. Okay, let me get some piece of color.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And push the button. If you put more, you're not getting any because it's the wrong amount. Oh, it's not gonna give you a cookie. Oh, there you go. That was your trick?
Yeah, it was combined this cell.
I see. You cancel your order and you got your all money back, right?
Yeah.
Can I see your money, please? Whoa, there you go.
It's got one. We don't need some more monies in here. We need some juice.
Oh, you want to get some juice. Okay, you put 25 cents and you push the button. More berry juice is coming. Is it yummy in your tummy? Whoa. Okay, let's get some orange juice for me. That's my favorite.
I need to put this juice away.
Oh, how you put it away? Can you show me, please? On the back?
Okay.
Oh, I see. That is wonderful, Edward.
I can't see anything.
So you show me the storage is in the back, right? Thanks for showing me. Whoa.
I got it.
Yeah, good job. Now, what's your favorite, Edward? What do you want to get now?
Juice.
Juice. What kind? It has berry juice and orange juice.
2.
You need 2 for
Hey,
orange.
what happened to my? Yeah.
I don't know. You draw something on your hand with a marker?
No, it's just a boo-boo. But leave it alone.
Okay. You got the boo-boo on your elbow too, right? You fall off at the school?
No.
Okay.
I feel better.
That's nice. I'm
See?
happy to hear that.
See?
Yes.
I feel better.
Now you can move your arm. 1. Oh, Edward, I think you pushed the first one, so you need just 1 money, not 2. Let's cancel it.
Oops.
Yeah.
I pushed it.
It's okay. There you go. You got your money back.
I didn't know that. It fell off.
On your leg. Okay, Edward. Do you want to get the orange juice still?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
How
push.
much the money is it?
Oh, you're looking for all monies. I see. Let's push the second button.
Bring me some more. Beep, beep, beep.
There you go. And you need 2 25 cents. 1 and 2. And green button.
Red button.
Red button, you're gonna cancel it again. But green button, you're gonna get a juice. Can I see your juice, please? Edward, I cannot see anything because you're sitting in the middle. Can you move, please? Yes, that's much better. You got your juice. Oh, so Edward, your friends now know how to use the vending machine. Okay, let's say goodbye to them and see you soon.
I see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
I love you.